Hey guys, it's Ben from Artzen Media here. Thank you so much for grabbing my MOGRT text animation pack. This is a really quick and easy tutorial on how to install and use it in Premiere Pro. Okay, so once you downloaded your product file, first download the default font. After that, you can open up Premiere Pro and go to your graphic template window. If you don't see this window, just click Window at the top and choose Graphic Templates from the list. Once that's done, you can click the little plus icon at the top right and add all your MOGRT files. There is 6 in total. After that, if you write Artzen in the search bar, you should see all of them listed. You can also tap this little star icon below to add them to your favorites for quick access. Alright, so for this example, I'm gonna choose the headline wiggle. Simply drag it to your timeline. Once you drag it, it will load for a second and you'll see the animation is ready to use. To edit, open the Properties panel. Again, if you don't see it, go to Window and choose it from the list. Make sure the title that you want to edit is clicked, and now you can see all the details you can change. So I'm gonna start with changing the text to "This is a tutorial." Now you can choose a custom font from your computer right here. So I'm gonna go with Wide Brim for this example. Here you can change the font width, style and size. With these two sliders, you can edit the spacing between the letters and the lines. Once you're happy with that, simply choose a color. You can change it to any color that you like. If you want to change the position, simply open the transform and change the X and the Y to your likings. And that's pretty much it, super easy. Now I'm going to show you how you can control the speed. If you choose your title and press R on your keyboard, it will enable the rate stretch tool. Then you can simply make your title longer or shorter to control the speed. So for example, if I want faster animation, I press R and drag the end of the clip backwards. And if I want slower animation, I drag it towards the start of the timeline. You can also hit Command or Control R when the clip is selected to change it here. Now, if I want to create an out animation, I can simply duplicate my animation. To do this, you can hold the Option key and drag it to the side, or simply Control C and Control V. Once copied, hit Control or Command R and check the reverse speed button. This will reverse the animation. So you can change the speed here as well and put it in the end of your animation, and now you got a perfect in and out animation. Now the default length of the clip is 10 seconds, but if you need to make it longer, simply duplicate the layer and cut the in animation part. Now I show you some creative ways you can play around with the titles. Let's grab the flicker randomizer here. To make the title glow, you can simply duplicate it and drag the Gaussian blur to the bottom layer. Change the blur amount to your likings and you got a really cool glow effect. Next, let's grab the handwritten text for example. I'll change the font to Billy and scale it up. If you want to use multiple colors on the same titles, this is how I do it. First, choose your main color. I'll keep mine white. Now, I'll drag the color replace effect on it. Go to Effect Controls and you will see it here at the bottom. Check solid colors and change the target color to your main color. Now choose the color that you want to replace and bump up the similarity until the text color changed. Now simply pick the mask tool here and choose the word that you want to change. That's it. You can also save this as a preset for quick and easy use. Now let's say you created all those amazing styles, you edited them and you want to save them for future use. That's super easy too. Keep the MOGRT in your sequence exactly how you like it, with all your edited titles. You can even add custom sound effect to each one to save time in the future. Now in the top left, click File, Save As, and save the entire project. Name it something that you will remember. I will name mine My Titles Presets. Now, next time you want to use them, simply open Premiere and create a new project. Create a new preset for this project, and it's important that it will be different from your title sequence. Now go to File, Import, and choose your project template file. And that's done. You got all your custom titles saved here. Now, if I want to use one, I'll just copy and paste Command V into my new project, and that's it. Just make sure you leave your template sequence untouched. Make your video on a different sequence. That's it. Thank you again for purchasing, and I really hope you make amazing videos with these titles. If you have any questions, please comment on this video and I'll answer every single one of them. I'm Ben from Artzen Media. Peace.